So I'm going to make this Illustrator design compatible for Canva. So first you have to remove the gradient colors from the design. Then after doing that, you are supposed to select all files together and expand it. Expand till the every each and piece get expanded. It will be really easy for you to do the color changing after that. So it's completely done. Now I'm going to select whole thing and choose this option. After choosing this option, we will see even where the black lines were hidden, now they are in white color. Small tiny pieces, can you see? So what I have to do is I will select white color only. So it will select all small tiny details also in white color, and we will have to reshape it. To select only white, the tolerance should be 0. So it will select only the white color. Okay. With the shape pathfinder tool, it will take some time because it is heavy file. So now all file is now merged, so I have only white color. Same process goes for black. Can you see small sections that is divided into black? Now do the same process again. Obviously this will take time. So now we have complete design in all colors. Okay, so you will have to think now what those colors will be that you wish to change when you put them in Canva. They should be a major categories that will be going to be changed. So in this case, button will be the first priority to change the colors. So I'm going to select each and every button individually because you can't select it all white. Color from here also. So my button colors are changed. The error is coming because it is not in HSV color. Let me do this again. The second part, I think we wish to change collar band inside the area. So I'll change the color for this one. Any random color because I have to do the color changing in Canva. So we have 4 colors already selected. First is black, second is white, and this button and this color inside color area. So the fifth one would be this yoke area that I'm going to select, and we can keep this color here. Again, change something different so it won't get merged with the button. Now the last process will be you have to ungroup everything, and front will be grouped together and back will be grouped together. Save it as it is. Now we will do the final process. I have to check whether I have only 4 colors or many colors are there, more than 4 or 5. Okay, I can see only 5 colors, so this will be editable in Canva. Otherwise, it won't change color.
Now I am going to import the AI shirt file into Canva.
So guys, design got uploaded. I'm going to fix this design color in Canva, and you will see how these designs are appearing in Canva sheet. Okay, so as I am clicking here, I can see 5 colors here, and you can easily change colors over here. Secondly, we have 3 colors only here: white, black,
In
and
next
other the button
video,
color.
you will
So
learn
that's
how
why
to
it's
change
showing
color
here.
in Canva.
So
I
that's
hope you
how
learned
you can
something new today.
see the colors
See you
here.
in next video. Namaste.